point is you have to understand these are geometric progressions. That is the first thing you have to understand. If you understand this is geometric, then you can apply the geometric formula. These are the two formula. If you see that the sequence or progression are actually arithmetic, then arithmetic formula will be applied. In this case, geometric, so we can apply the geometric formula. So first thing in your exam, I will not tell you geometric or arithmetic. This thing I will not tell. So you will read the question and then try to understand, is this GP or is this AP? Say in question number 1, it is clear that this is GP. So no need to think. You are sure that this is geometric. So finish. But in the second question, I did not give you the name of the progression. So you will read the question and try to understand. Okay. Now let us do the first question. Let us do the first question. So we will do it later. Let us just keep it aside. So I will do later. Let us do question number 1. So what to do? You know that this is geometric. So very simple. Geometric formula will be applied. So what are the things you apply? So this case, first term is not given, common ratio is not given. You will find out those things. So what are the given things? Try to understand how you will start. Here the given things are what? Given things are T3 equal to 30 and T5 equal to 7.5. Is that okay? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So what is T3? According to formula, it will be A into R to the power 3 minus 1. That is actually T3. So this is 30. And for this also same formula, A into R to the power 5 minus 1. So this is 7.5. Now the point is, what is 3 minus 1? That means it is AR square and it is 30. Another one is AR to the power 4. So this is 7.5. Now, how can you find A? How can you find R? This is very simple. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. So you can divide 2 by 1. Divide equation number 2 by 1. How? So you can write now, if you divide equation number 2, that means 2 divided by 1. So what will happen? That will be 2 divided by 1. That will be what? AR to the power 4 divided by AR square. So it is very simple. A will be cancelled and you have 7.5 divided by 30. So in the next line you can write R square equal to 7.5 by 30. So It is 1 divided by 4. You can check is this correct or not. Is this correct?
0.25.
0.25. Yes. So 1 by 4 or 0.25. Correct. So what will be R? What will be R?
0.5.
0.5. So this is one thing you need to find out. Common ratio, common ratio is R. Common ratio is R. So one thing is found already. Now you will find first term. So first term is actually A. So you will put this R value somewhere, maybe in 1 or 2, does not matter. So you will put this R value and then you will find A. So you put this R value here, say number 1. Okay. So if you put R value in number 1, then A will come. So I am erasing this part. Is that okay? I am erasing this part. Is that okay? Everyone has written that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am putting in 1. So you can write from 1. Okay. We will write A into A into 0.5 square, that is equal to 30. So A will come. So what will be A? It will be
120.
okay. So A will be 30 divided by 0.25 and it is 120. So fine. Another portion is done. So number 1, that is first part of the question, done. Finish. Now you go to the second part. What is the second part? Second part is you will find out, also you will find out the sum of first 10 terms. So sum of first 10 terms will be S10. So S10 and then you will put the formula. Now the question will come, which formula you will apply? Which formula? SN formula, you have two formulas. So first one or second one, which one you need?
Second one.
Second one is correct. So why second one? Why second one?
So here are is less than 1.
The ratio
Right,
is less than 1.
right. So that is the reason. That is the reason. Okay. I can ask this type of question in the Viva also. So why you are choosing the second formula? Because in this case, R is less than 1. So it's fine. When you are decided, then fine, you apply the formula here. It is 120 because you know A. A is 120. And then within bracket, you will write 1 minus 0.5 to the power. 0.5, you can use a bracket here, and that will be 10 to the power 10, and then close the bracket, and then divided by 1 minus 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5, in the lower part it will be 0.5, and it's fine, you can continue like 120, and first bracket 1 and then minus and then 0.0000, how many zeros you can just use that, and then divided by 0.5. So how many zeros you have here and what is the number you have here? Can you tell me? That will be many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sir, other students trying to join. Please accept them.
No, there is no one waiting. Oh, okay. Fariha Tini. Okay, okay. Yeah, now I have got some more. Okay, good. Okay, so now tell me what will be this number 0.5 to the power 10 and then 1 minus that number. So tell me altogether what is this
Sir, all to
0.99999 something 120 into 0.999999, right? Something like that. And then 999999 something like that, and then that will be 2 39
7.6.
237
sir, 232.5, sir.
232.5. Okay, so what is this number? Tell me 0.9999. What is this number?
0.99.
Only two digit?
No, sir. 0.99. 1, 2.
Sir, 0.968.
0.968 is wrong answer.
0.999023.
0.99.
90.
Okay, 9 then 0 2
2.
3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so nine
Sorry,
nine
sir.
nine 023. Yes. Gulam Rabbani, tell me.
Sorry, sir. I did a mistake. The answer will
Now,
be another.
yes. Okay, so now find out the answer. What is this? 239 point something or 238 point something?
Yes, sir. 239, sir. Point seven
Point,
six
point
seven
seven
six.
six. Okay. So this is the second part of the answer. So that is all, and number one is complete now. Now let us do the second question, and again it is a open question. So I uh, did not tell you which progression is this. So when you read the question in the exam, you will read it and then you will understand which progression is this. So if you think this is arithmetic, then arithmetic formula will be applied. If you think it is geometric, then geometric formula will be applied. So this is very, very important. If you make mistake, then your calculation, your answer will be also mistake, also wrong. Okay. So be careful about this thing. Now let us solve this problem. This is question number 2. Okay. So this is question number 2. Now it is geometric. How? Because in the question it is written every time double, every time double. So every time double means r equal to 2. Every time double means r equal to 2. So when you know multiplied by 2, this is geometric. This is geometric, very simple. So you will uh, in the beginning you will write this. This is important. In the beginning you will write this. Here uh, here the number number of plants, okay, number of trees, number of trees, number of trees make make a GP. So GP is fine. Uh, the common ratio, that means R equal to 2. It is given. Ratio R equal to 2. It is given. Finish. And the starting, okay, and the first number. First number, that means A. Okay. First number in this case, A is actually 5. So that was the first number. So these two things are already given in the question. Now you understand this is GP. Now you answer the question. So what is the first question? First part is you will find out how many plants will be planted, how many trees will be planted in 2025. So this is actually T. This is actually T. So what will be the number of trees in 2025? Is it T10? Is it T11? Is it T9? What? T what? That is important. Tell me T what?
So T11,
T11 is correct. So how it is T11? Tell me how it is 11.
স্যার 2015 থেকে 2025 পর্যন্ত গণলে 11ই আসে।
Right. So you will count 2015 as 1. So 2015 will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and it is T11. Good. So if it is T11, then you apply the formula. Formula is same, that is 5 into 2 to the power 11 minus 1. Very simple. 11 minus 1 means t to the power 2 to the power 10. So it will be 5 into 2 to the power 10. So 5 into 1024, and 5 into 1024 means 5120. So that will be the number of trees in 2025. That will be the number of trees in 2025. So it is done. This is first part of the question. And then you go to the second part of the question. Also find how many plants he will plant together, or how many trees. I can write how many trees. How many trees he will plant together from 2015 up to 2025. So this is again very simple. You can just write like total number of trees. Okay, that is total number of trees. So total number of trees means number of trees in 2015, number of trees in 2016, and number of trees in 2017. All will be added together. Then you will apply the SN formula. SN formula here, it will be S11 formula. Okay. That will be S11 formula. Again, the same 11 will come because I'm not changing the year. So you apply one correct formula. Which one is the correct formula for this
First,
case? First one. It is correct because in this case R is 2. That means R is more than 1. So you apply the first formula. So you write 5, then bracket, then 2 to the power 11, not minus 1, 11, and then separately minus 1. So that will be different minus 1. Okay. And then 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So Divided by 2 minus 1 is only 1. There is no problem. And here it is only 5, and then you will write 2 to the power 11. 2 to the power 11 is 2048 and minus 1. So 204 minus 1 is 2047, and 2047 into 5. So what will be the answer? 10240. No, 2, sorry, 47. 2,
Three,
3, 2, 3, 4, right?
five.
235. Okay, yeah, 235. Yes. So that will be the total number of trees, 10,235 trees altogether. So this is the second part of the question. Is it okay? Any problem with this? No problem, right? Now I will I will give you third question, and third question is question number 3, and I'm writing how many no, okay, let me give you one real life problem. Okay, so uh, Mr. Korim spends uh, টাকা say 80,000, okay, in a month. Okay, he wants to reduce the expense by 5% in every next month. Okay, so what will be his monthly expense in the uh, say, okay, expense after after 1 year, or 1 year? This is one question. Another question is, mm, after how many months his expense will go down to less than say 20,000? That is another question. So is that okay? Do you understand my question? Do you understand the question? How it is geometric progression, I will help you to understand. How it is geometric, I will help you to understand. But just read the text. Is that okay? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So do you agree with Mr. Karim? Or he is a very, very miser person? What do you think? Is
Sir,
he
I think
okay?
it is geometric. Yes, sir.
So you agree with Mr. Karim? You like him?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I don't like him. Like, I am saying that it will be a geometric
Yeah,
progression.
I understand. I understand your point. I'm just saying, okay.
I don't even
Gulam,
know Mr. Koreem. How can I
say
know?
say someone like that. I mean, he wants to reduce the monthly expenses by 5%. So, I mean, you may think it is fine, it is very good. Okay, like Gulam Rabbani. Gulam Rabbani liked the person. Okay, so maybe Gulam Rabbani will be also someone like that. Okay, very, very serious, sincere about spending. Okay, so maybe Takia do not like. Okay, or other persons. I'm not sure. Okay. So I'm just making joke, no problem. So don't worry about that. So this is the situation. Now it is geometric. It is correct. So how it is correct? So multiplied by something, multiplied by a number, okay, and divided by a number, okay, and also the percentage thing, also the percentage, okay, percentage of any number. That is all will be GP. Okay, so how this is happening here? The thing is, first month it is 80,000. First month it is 80,000, 80K. Okay, just let me write 80,000. First month it is 80,000. And in the second month, okay, it is number one. In the second month it will be less because he wants to reduce. So it will be less. How much less? 5% less.
5%.
So 5% less means what amount? What is the amount?
Sir, 4,000, sir.
So what will be the expense in the next month?
Sir, 76,000.
76,000. So that is the next month expense. And 5% reduce is 4,000 taka. That is correct. But 4,000 is not the next month expense. For next month expense is what? 4,000 less. So 4,000 less means it is 95%. Actually, this is 95%. You understand what I'm saying? So
Yes, sir.
next month expense will be 95%. So 95% is what? 95% is actually 0.95. So if you multiply by 0.95, then it will be 76,000. You can multiply by 0.95, that will be 76,000. And in the next month, third month, again you can multiply by 0.95. So 0.95 means 5% less. So next month amount will be some less. What will be the amount? 72,000. How much?
Yes, sir, 72,000.
No, no, not 72,000. There will be something more. Not 72,000. 72,400.
200.
Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sir,
400.
So
200.
200, sure.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
I think so. Um, if we minus 5% from 76,000, then it comes 72,200.
72,400, sir.
Only one answer would be correct.
Sir, 200, sir.
Okay, so
200.
check it again. There will be one correct answer only. Not both answer will be correct. Check it again. Is this 72,200?
Yes, sir.
So 5% less means multiply by 0.95. This is the important thing. So uh, let us make it very, very clear. So if you see 10%, 10% less, then less, then what you will do? Multiply by what? If it is 10% less, then multiply by what? 0.9. Okay. If it is 10% more, 10% more, then multiply by what? 1.1. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is 25% more, then what you will do? That means what? Multiply by,
Multiply by 25%.
so what multiply by which number? 1.25. That is the R value. If it is 25% less, reducing 25%, then what you will do? It will be
0.75.
0.75. Okay, so this understanding should be very clear to everybody. Now you can start the answer. So you will start the answer like, you will say that you have understood the situation. The first point is you will declare that this is GP or this is AP or what is the thing. So you will write, okay, here the monthly spending, okay, or monthly expenditure, okay, monthly expenditure, uh, monthly expenditure makes or make, okay, the GP, monthly expenditure make the GP with, okay, with R equal to 0.95. You do not need to make the sequence. It is your rough work. This is your rough work. If you want to write in the answer, that is also okay, but it is not mandatory. It is your rough work. You will just understand that what is the pattern of the sequence, and then you move on to the calculation. So R is 0.95, and what is the first term? First term is 80,000. Okay. Now go to the, when you know A is 80,000. Okay. You can write this, and A is 80,000. So when you know A is 80,000, R is 0.95, then you can easily apply the formula and uh, answer the question. So what is the question actually? The question is, you have to find out what is the monthly expense after 1 year. So what is the monthly expense after 1 year? So is this T formula or S formula? First question, is this T formula or X formula? S formula. Which one is correct?
Sir, S formula, sir.
Summation.
S formula. Okay. So how it is S formula? Explain. Tell me how it is S
Monthly
formula.
expense, total month.
Okay. So this is your explanation,
Sir,
and
R
collaborator.
is less than one, sir. Here R is
No,
less
no,
than
no,
one.
no, no, no. That is later. That is later. I'm not asking that question now. I'm now asking, is this TN formula or SN formula? If it is SN formula, then the second question will come, which formula? So first you decide T formula or S formula for this question. Any other answer, or everyone is thinking the same answer? Gulam Rabbani said, so it must be correct. Something like that? Or Sharmin Shila said, so it must be correct. Is it like that? Do you think in that way? Oh, no, sorry. This is not S formula. Why S formula? It is monthly expense for 1 month only. So what are the numbers? First number is 80,000. What is the second number? 76,000. What is the third number? 72,200. So what you will find out? Is it only one number in 1 month, or you are adding all the numbers? So are you making summation of all the numbers?
No, sir.
Then why yes? Did you tell us?
Sorry, sir. Now I understand, sir.
Okay, so now you explain which formula? T formula.
Yes, sir.
Why T formula? Now explain. Because this type of question I will ask in the Viva exam.
Sir,
So
because
formula.
we need the term number, a specific term, after how many months it will come, like seventh month or eighth month or sixth month. After sixth month, the expense will down 20,000. So it comes like one.
No, no, no. You are going to the second part of the question. This is not my question. There are two questions. One is what will be his monthly expense after 1 year. So we are doing this now. So do not go to next part. That is another question.
Okay, sir. So if it's about the first part, then it will be definitely the T1, because
That is my question. So why T1?
sir, uh, it it is the question is about after 1 year, which will be his monthly expense. So we will count after 1 year, like 12 months.
No, 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 no. You are T7, T8, T13, T15 or T57. All these are same kind of thing, right? So is it 7 or 8 or 13? That is different point. That is not my question. My question is it T or is
Yes,
it S?
sir.
So why
It is
it
T.
is T? That is not dependent on 7 or 8 or 13. That is not dependent on the number. Why it is T? That question is because we want only one number. We want only one number in the sequence. That's all. We are not adding the numbers. We want the monthly expense. So that is T. Is that okay? Clear? So you will simply say we want only one single month expense, one single number in the sequence. That's all. So this is T. Now the question will come T13 or T12 or T10 or T14. That is now question. So you think it is T13. Actually it is T13. Why? Because after 1 year, next month will be 13 month. Okay. So after 1 year means 12 month gone, and then next. So 13. So T13 will be 80,000 into 80,000 into R. That means 0.95 to the power 13 minus 1. So that is the 0.95 to the power 12. So that will be the answer. So this is the question. Now you can go to the second part of the question. That means how many months. This question is how many months you need to consider, how many months needed. if you want to find out the uh, monthly expense as 20,000. Is it again S formula or T formula?
S for
No. Why S formula? Again, the monthly expense is 20,000, less than 20,000. So this is again T. Okay, this is again T. You do not know T what? You do not know T7 or T10, but it is T formula. Why? Because it is already given. It is Tn. That means 1 month expense. It is not the total month expense. So Tn will be again less or equal to less than say less than 20,000. This is the given thing. Okay, now you apply the formula. So formula is what? So formula is, say we are putting this 20,000 and then we are writing equal, and then we are putting the number like A already known to us, that is 80,000, and then R already known to us 0.95, and to the power n minus 1, that is not known. We do not know this thing. So now the question will come, how can you find n? How can you find n? You can divide 20,000 by 80,000. It is possible. You can divide this. So it will be 1 by 4. No problem. And if you do not know 0.95 to the power what, then how can you find it? You do not know 0.95 to the power what, then it is a problem, right? So in that case, n minus 1 is the power. So how can you find the n minus 1? How can you find 1 minus 1? So anyone has any idea? How can you find n? Do you have any idea? Anyone knows how can you find this power n?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, it will be uh, in the left side, it will be 4 inverse 1. So, like that way.
Okay, so we do not have
4
enough time
inverse 1
today.
is equal to 0.95 inverse n minus 1.
Okay, so we will talk about this, okay, in the next class tomorrow. So we do not have enough time. Just keep it here and tell me the question in the next class, and then I will continue with this. Okay, so let us finish this class here.